You are studying in BCom, and the lecture that you are going to have the next 1 hour is a very important session. Very few people knows about these drugs and these strategies in which the giant stock market player are keep on playing on day-to-day basis. Clear? पूरा चीजों को ध्यान से सुनना, जितने ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस हो सकते हैं दिमाग में आपको जॉट डाउन करना. The 1 hour session will not going to solve the purpose of this workshop. What you will have to do, once the sir completes the session, please ask the follow-up YouTube lecture. कि सर आपने इस सेशन को दे दिया, अब इसके आगे की नॉलेज अगर मुझे चाहिए तो मैं कहाँ से देख सकता हूँ? वो YouTube सेशंस मुझे कहाँ से मिलेंगे? Okay, if I want to study the literature, तो वो कहाँ से मैं देख सकता हूँ? Even how would I get the practical exposure? Sir, are you available on LinkedIn or Insta so that I can follow you? Or those who are the big player of this stock market? Kindly name those people. I want to follow those people, because if I want to follow those people, when I am following those people, I will come to know exactly what they are doing on day-to-day basis, and this will give me the practical exposure. Clear? यहाँ तो कोई बात. अब एक important चीज बता रहा हूँ आपकी लाइफ. अभी यहाँ बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स बैठे हैं. आपके सामने हमेशा दो ऑप्शंस आएंगे, either do it or don't do it. How do you decide which one is the right one? आपके पास दो ऑप्शन होंगे और जो ऑप्शन मुश्किल होगा वही सही रहा. ठीक है, इस बात को ध्यान रखना. So we call our sir. Can you please come and have the session? Thank you.
Sir, can you start?
एग्जॉस्ट का कम कर देना, उधर से एग्जॉस्ट बंद कर देना.
Kindly put your mobile phone on silent. Have you encouraged it?
के पास पेन नहीं है और they are student college student but they have not any pen I'm only one of the section होगा so you should know importance of the section Maybe you know importance of time. Please give importance to the time, your time. Please attention everyone. As I know that after completion of education all you would like to earn money. And for the money, either you need to work like business or service, because money is, we can say, is a part of life. Without money, it's not easy to surviving the life for anyone. Financial survey revealed that, just a minute please. Sir, please photograph to us. Okay. किसी को भी हमारे पीएम का फोन नहीं होगा yeah, so I think you should know about the knowledge of money management, you should know about the knowledge of the investment, because as we all know that money is really most important for us, and financial survey revealed that in India only 27% population of India financially literate. More than 70% population of India are not aware about that, what is the inflation, what do you mean by taxation, or like benefit of power of compounding. Here I want to check your financial literacy first. I want to ask a question. Suppose you have 1 lakh rupees today and the rate of interest on fixed deposit in bank is 7% per annum fixed. If you deposit 1 lakh rupees in bank FD today, then what will be the value of 1 lakh rupees after a year? I think many of you have answered 1 lakh 7,000. But this is wrong. Anyone who have a different answer? You have 1 lakh rupees today, and if you invest this 1 lakh rupees in bank FD, and if bank offers you 7% rate of interest fixed, then what will be the value of 1 lakh rupees after 1 year? Anyone who have answered different like 1 lakh 7,000, please raise your hand. Okay, whatever you buy today the rates of 1 lakh, will you able to buy same quantity of goods after a year with rates of 1 lakh? It's not easy. Due to inflation, the price of goods and services may rates of 100 rupees like it's not possible to buy same quantity, same quantity of goods in future with rates of 100 due to inflation. Inflation one side can increase the price of goods and services, another side the rupee value decrease. So suppose the inflation rate in last 20 years in India is 6%. So the value of 1 lakh rupees after 1 year will be depreciated by 6,000 rupees. Maybe the value of 1 lakh will be 94,000 only. Suppose you deposit this 1 lakh rupees in bank FD today, the principal value will be depreciated by 6,000. So the value of 1 lakh rupees will be 94,000 plus 7,000 interest amount is approximate 1 lakh 1,000. But again, this is not correct answer because whatever you earn the interest amount from bank is a taxable income. You need to pay income tax on it. Maybe today, all you are a student, you are not comes under the any taxable liability. But in future, when you earn, I think everyone wants to earn like 1 crore rupees, 2 crore rupees, or all you have many dreams with the money. So when you reach the income level like more than 20 lakh or 25 lakh in a year, you need to pay income tax on your income, which is around 30%. Okay, in income tax rule, the maximum tax slab is applicable on individual is 30%. So you need to calculate your interest income is also taxable income. Interest income generally added to our total income. Either we are a businessman or we are a serviceman, we need to pay income tax on our income. So for 7,000 rupees interest amount, if you pay 30% tax on it, suppose you come with the bracket of 30% taxation, you need to pay 30% income tax on interest amount. 7,000 minus 30% equal to how much? 7,000 minus 30% is equal to 7,000 में से 30% माइनस करेंगे तो कितना बचेगा? 4,900. So the interest you will receive in hand approx 4,900 after taxation, and the principal value after inflation will be 94,000. So what will be the value of 1 lakh rupees after investment in bank FD? 94,000 plus 4,900 equal to 98,900. So after investment in bank FD, the rupee value is appreciated or depreciated? Practically when you calculate this, it's depreciated. And in India, more than 90% people who are like saver, investor, they generally invest in bank deposit, post office scheme, insurance policy. Generally, there is a rate of return either equal to inflation or below than inflation. I would ask one more question from you. What is the age of retirement? 60. Wrong answer. 60. What is the age of retirement? 60. It means all you want to do work till age of 60. यही मतलब तो है रिटायरमेंट का मतलब all you want to do work age of 60. सब चाहते हो कि 60 साल की उम्र तक हम जॉब करेंगे. No one wants to get early retirement in their life. Why do you work actually? We work for money. Either business हो चाहे वो सर्विस हो, we generally work for money. If you have enough money in age of 32, in age of 35, I think no need to work like any job or any painful business. Anyone can follow their passion. If you have enough money, then definitely you will take retirement in early age. I think पूरे इंडिया के अंदर कोई ऐसा जॉब नहीं है, चाहे वो गवर्नमेंट जॉब हो, चाहे वो आर्मी का जॉब हो, चाहे वो IAS, PCS ऑफिसर हो, इसको 60 तक करना ही पड़ेगा जॉब. No, nothing like this. Everyone basically do work for money, and if you have enough money in age of 30, 32, 35, to retire, you will take retirement from the job, or you will start your own startup or follow your passion. So how one can create a wealth, how one can become a rich or successful person in Egypt in age of 32 or 35? How is possible? Only through hard work? No. I think hard work से तो इतना easy नहीं है. There are many people in India, they are doing hard work, but there is no money. When we do work for money, if you put your money somewhere where money work for you, then definitely you will create a good wealth in early age. How money work for you? When you are asleep, your money will appreciate. How is possible? Possible नहीं है. Possible है नहीं है. When you are asleep, your money value is appreciated. Is it possible? Possible है through investment. Through investment. If you know the difference between return and real rate of return, then definitely you will create a good wealth in early age. And even give me answer of this. What is the difference between return and real rate of return? I have already give you answer. मैंने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले आपको एक एग्जाम्पल भी दिया इस चीज का. I want just know कि आपको कितना समझ आया वो एग्जाम्पल. What is the difference between return and real rate of return? बैंक एफडी में पैसा लगाया, बैंक ने ऑफर किया रिटर्न आपको 7%. यही था ना? बट एक्चुअल में रियल रेट ऑफ रिटर्न कितना आया? माइनस में हो गया. वो तो माइनस में हो गया, डेप्रिशिएट हो गया. तो रियल रेट ऑफ रिटर्न मींस रिटर्न माइनस इन्फ्लेशन एंड टैक्सेशन. दिस इज रियल रेट ऑफ रिटर्न. Many people save their money in like investment assets, investment asset class. Their rate of return equal to inflation or below than inflation, and they think कि चलो पैसा तो जमा हो रहा है, जुड़ रहा है. But in future, when they see कि we are not able to buy same quantity or same quantity of goods, like someone plan कि मुझे 1 करोड़ रुपए का घर खरीदना है, ड्रीम हाउस खरीदना है 1 करोड़ रुपए का. मैं जैसे अर्निंग शुरू करूँगा, 5 साल के बाद वो घर जरूर खरीद लूँगा. क्या 5 साल के बाद यू एबल टू बाय सेम हाउस विद रेट्स ऑफ 1 करोड़? नो. वैल्यू बढ़ जाएगी. तो हियर आई थिंक द नॉलेज ऑफ फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी, इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट, everyone should know about this. In India, there are 4 popular asset class, for investment. First is real estate, second is gold, third is fixed income related investment options, and fourth one is equity, shares. These 4 popular asset class actually in India people generally use their investment in this asset class. But in the market, in the our country, how people manage their income, how they manage their savings. They manage their income like income minus expenses equal to savings. Income minus expenses equal savings. कि जितना पैसा हमने अर्न किया है पहले उसमें से खर्चे करेंगे, खर्चे के बाद अगर कुछ पैसा बचा तो वो सेव करेंगे. यही होता है. But as financial survey revealed that in metro cities like Delhi, Noida, Gurgaon, Bangalore, Pune, Mumbai, the reality of this formula, income minus expenses equal to loan or equal to zero. No saving. Whatever they earn salary, income like 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh rupees per month, they are not able to save 10% of their income for long term. Most of people, whatever they earned amount, by 20th of the month, यानी महीने की 20 तारीख तक सारा इनकम, सारा पैसा खर्च कर देते हैं और नेक्स्ट 10 डेज में वो क्रेडिट कार्ड पे जीते हैं. या फिर आजू बाजू में बनिए की दुकान है, अभी राशन दे दो, बाद में तुमको पेमेंट देने देंगे जब सैलरी आएगी. दूध का पेमेंट तब करेंगे जब सैलरी आएगी. लाइक दैट. मैनी ऐसे रूटीन बिल्स होते हैं हमारे, हम डिपेंड होते हैं सैलरी के ऊपर. तो अगर ऐसे कोई फाइनेंशियल मैनेज करेगा, इनकम मैनेज करेगा, they will get retired in early age. I think they need to do work till 60 or more than 60 until they want to live. जब तक वो जीना चाहता है उसको काम करना पड़ेगा, रिटायरमेंट कभी होगा ही नहीं. In other countries like US, how people manage their money, their income, they manage their income like income minus investment equal to expenses. First investment, then expenses. But like US, अगर US की बात करें तो their education is free, medical expenses is free. There are major many expenses are free. It's paid by government. In India, it's not easy to like follow this formula: income minus investment equal to expenses. So what is the ideal formula one can use? Generally in banks, finance company, they ask in interview, what is your advice, what is your opinion, how one can use the money management rule, or how one can retire in early age. So the rule is 50-30-20. 50-30-20 is a rule for the like money management or income management. One can follow this. What do you mean by 50-30-20 rule? Anyone have idea? 50-30-20 rule. No idea. 50-30-20 rule means कि whatever our income either through business, through service, if we use this income like 50% of our income is spending on needs. Generally people have two types of expenses. One is needs, second is wants. There are two types of expenses one have. Needs and wants. So if like one plan, their income 50% is spending on needs and 30% is spending on wants. Doesn't mean कि wants का expenses नहीं करना है. Needs wants का example like कि जैसे हमने rice purchase किया, wheat purchase किया, salt purchase किया, all these are basic needs. Right? This example of needs spending pattern. Well, while you purchase like regular pizza, burger, pasta, all these are example of wants. So doesn't mean कि pizza नहीं खाना है या pasta नहीं खाना है. 30% के bracket में, 30% के bracket में 50% if one use like spending pattern on their needs, spending pattern, 30% on wants, and as 20% saving or investment? Investment. What is the difference between saving and investment? Saving like we put our money somewhere where money is not good, and with impact of inflation, value of money depreciate. While investment, money work for you, money is grow with the returns, with the profits. Importance of investment clear now. Now there are 4 investment asset class in India which is very popular for investment. One is a first real estate, second is a gold, third is a fixed income instrument, fourth is a shares, equity. Okay, please give me answer. Real estate, gold and equities. Is there any fixed return? Guarantee of investment, guarantee of capital, if there is no loss, never loss in future. Gold have fixed return?
Yes, sir.
Suppose you buy today gold with rates of 1,10,000 rupees per 10 gram. And suppose tomorrow gold price will depreciate. क्या नहीं हो सकता 1,09,000 का भाव कल गोल्ड का? हो सकता है ना? और in case of an emergency, if you liquidate this investment, you will book loss rather than profit. There is no guarantee. Again, I am telling you. And in physical gold, there is a 2 types of risk also involved. One is a purity, second is a theft. Purity risk or theft risk. And as many of the students will be answer like, gold is a safe. I want to ask a question. When you suppose a start earn, जब आप लोग earning शुरू करोगे, what you will do with your first salary? Have you planned? कभी किसी ने सोचा? अगर नहीं सोचा है तो अभी जो मन में आ रहा है एक बार बताओ. What you will do with your first salary, first income? 90% स्टूडेंट का आंसर होगा पेरेंट्स को दे देंगे. ठीक है, यही था पीछे तक. मन में सोचा होगा मुझे नहीं पता है लेकिन मुझे पता है. 90% स्टूडेंट आंसर पेरेंट्स को दे देंगे. अच्छा एक चीज बताओ. Your parents are more educated related money management, finance market, inflation, power of compounding or taxation? I think all of have no. Maybe someone parents but many of people as financial survey reveal that more than 70% population of India are financially literate. They have no idea about the inflation money management. So if you like give your money to the parents, what they will do? They generally save your money in like Almira or in somewhere palace कि ये इसको आगे फ्यूचर में काम आएंगे, उठा कर रख लेते हैं इसको. So if they put their money in their home, their in future value of money will appreciate or depreciate? Appreciate. Again, I think if you like use your first income like depreciation, there is no importance of like today knowledge. Many of students maybe will try कि 50% पेरेंट्स को दे देंगे और 50% फंड्स पे स्पेंड कर देंगे. बाकी जब अर्निंग शुरू करोगे तो फ्रेंड्स वगैरह पार्टीज भी मांगेंगे, कलीग्स होंगे ऑफिस के, वो भी कहेंगे कि हमको भी पार्टी चाहिए. अच्छा, कुछ ड्रीम्स होते हैं फर्स्ट सैलरी के साथ कि न्यू ड्रेस परचेज करनी है ना, कुछ लाइक ड्रीम कार और ड्रीम बाइक व्हाटएवर यू वांट, वो खर्चा करने का पहले माइंड में फिट होगा. आई एम श्योर खर्चा पहले होगा माइंड के अंदर. और इफ यू हैव ओनली द आइडिया अबाउट मनी फॉर स्पेंडिंग, डेफिनेटली यू नीड टू वर्क विद 60 or more than 60. Financial planning says investment with a small amount with the long term duration, one can get benefit of power of compounding. Maybe you invest 500 rupees today for long term, like 500 rupees every month. In future you will realize whatever you invest every month, you will get return more than your investment amount due to power of compounding. आज किसी ने 500 रुपये पर मंथ का प्लान किया कि 30 साल तक जमा करना है, 500 पर मंथ. When you check after 12 year approximate इन्वेस्टमेंट 500 रुपये होगा, लेकिन पर मंथ का जो इंटरेस्ट और प्रॉफिट आ रहा होगा ना, more than 500. यानी every month your amount is double ही होना. This is power of compounding. जैसे एक छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल और दूंगा पावर ऑफ कंपाउंडिंग का. Suppose this side I will give you option कि from 1st of October onwards, 1 अक्टूबर से I will give you 1 crore rupees every day to whole the month. यानी day 1 October I will give you 1 crore and day 2 again I will give you 1 crore, day 3 I will again give you 1 crore. And this side I will give you 1 rupees. I think be disappointed कि सर इधर 1 रुपये क्यों, उधर 1 करोड़. Why is a major difference? Okay, I will give you option. Here I will give you option कि on day of 2nd October I will give you twice of the day of 1. डबल दे दूँगा. कितना हो गया 2nd अक्टूबर को 2 रुपये. यहाँ पर 2nd अक्टूबर को कितना हो गया 2 करोड़. अभी भी साउंड गुड इधर आ रहा है. Day of 3 I will give you again double of previous day.
4 करोड़ 4 rupees.
When you calculate the everyday this calculation, कि everyday जो amount double हो रहा है. In this side, when you calculate this, on day of 27, here approximate 27 crore. Here approximate 27.5 crore.
Yes, sir.
And day of 28 crore, 54 crore.
Say yes.
This is power of compounding. Day of 30, here is 30 crore, here more than 100 crore. This is power of compounding. If you think like the investment age starts from like 40 years age or 50 years age, there is no need to plan about the like multiplication of money, investment of money in early age. Then definitely you need to do work till 60 or more than 60 years you want to live. ये तो समझ आ गया इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट क्या है. अच्छा, 4 इन्वेस्टमेंट एसेट क्लास है मार्केट में. पहला मैंने आपको बताया रियल एस्टेट, दूसरा बताया गोल्ड, तीसरा बताया फिक्स्ड इनकम इंस्ट्रूमेंट और फोर्थ बताया इक्विटी. क्या फिक्स्ड इनकम जनरली मार्केट में जितने भी फिक्स्ड इनकम इंस्ट्रूमेंट है, their rate of return is maximum is up to 7% or 8% 20%, not more than this. If you invest your amount in this, will you able to create good wealth in early age? क्या 30-32 साल की उम्र में इतना रिटर्न मिल जाएगा कि रिटायरमेंट ले लो? No. I think you need to put some money in this also. I know this is a good because real estate, we all know that after a long term price will appreciate. Gold on an average, if we talk about from last 30 year or 50 year, there is return also higher than inflation amount. In equity market, share बाजार की अगर मैं बात करूँ, तो many people have their own definition with their experience. जैसा उनका experience उनकी वही definition है. Many people have experienced stock market is like gambling. Stock market is like speculation. Very high risky investment option. It's not easy to all. There is no safety, no guarantee like that. Right? People think this. अभी गोल्ड और रियल एस्टेट में कोई गारंटी है? यहाँ भी कुछ नहीं है. Even fixed deposit in bank, RBI give maximum guarantee of 5 lakh rupees, not more than this. Suppose you have FD in State Bank of India. आपका 50 लाख रुपए का बैंक FD है SBI में या बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा में या किसी भी बैंक में, प्राइवेट नेशनलाइज. अगर बैंक ने डिफॉल्ट किया, इन्वेस्टर कैन क्लेम मैक्सिमम 5 lakh rupees only with RBI, not more than this. Only 5 lakh. This is a rule of RBI. You can check on RBI website as well. But it means I think bank FD is also not secure. So where people invest their money or put their money? Shares? It doesn't mean put all your money in equity market. Right? We need to invest our money in diversification types of assets. Like कि अगर मैंने अपना पैसा केवल बैंक में रखा है तो वहाँ 5 लाख रुपए तक ही केवल मेरा सिक्योर है. पूरा पैसा मैंने स्टॉक मार्केट में रखा है तो मार्केट अगर फ्लक्चुएट हुआ तो वहाँ रिस्क ज़्यादा है. पूरा पैसा रियल एस्टेट में अगर मैंने लगा दिया तो कोई अगर इमरजेंसी हुई पैसा कैसे विड्रॉल करोगे? क्या रियल एस्टेट पार्ट में सेल हो सकता है? नहीं हो सकता. गोल्ड अगर रिमेन चैलेंज कि कितना गोल्ड फिजिकल घर पर रख पाओगे? ज़्यादा तो नहीं. और फिर प्योरिटी का रिस्क और थेफ्ट का रिस्क, ये भी दोनों रिस्क है. थोड़ा सा एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं इक्विटी मार्केट के ऊपर. शेयर्स, as people there have their own definition, the stock market is a gambling, is very high risky investment option. I want to know that what do you mean by shares? Because here I am sure many students have done their 12th with commerce subject. They know about like shares, bonds, debenture, balance sheet, profit and loss, trading account and all. So anyone please give me answer what do you mean by shares? Suppose in this campus any science student, if they ask you like, I want to invest in share market, आपने तो 12th कॉमर्स से किया है, तो what do you mean by shares? What again? What do you mean by shares? Ownership of the company. अगर मैंने रिलायंस का 1 शेयर लिया तो I will be owner of the Reliance. क्या बात? मुकेश अंबानी खत्म.
50 plus 1.
8%.
No. Listen. If you give answer like ownership to science student, the sound is different. Like ownership sound like a ownership. If you give answer like partnership, when you buy the share, you become a partner of the company. Again, this is not sound correct. Give me answer right. आपने आंसर सही दिया था. Yes, yes, you. What do you mean by shares? Good name. माही के लिए क्लैपिंग करेंगे भाई. What do you mean by capital? What do you mean by capital?
Capital is our savings.
Capital is like savings. Then earnings. Earnings are capital, sure. What do you mean by capital? Investment. Yes, whatever the amount like invest in a business for expansion purpose or start the business, that amount is called capital of the company. Capital of the company. Why? Company issue shares to the public. They generally raise funds from the market. Maybe a purpose they want to expansion their business, so they issue shares, equities in the market and they raise funds from the publics or large scale of investors. So whatever the raised funds from the market or from the public, they mention these funds in their books like financial books, balance sheet. Which side? Liabilities or assets?
Yes.
When company raise funds from the market or issuance of share, बैलेंस शीट में कहाँ शो करता है वो? Liabilities side. Which head? Liabilities में कई heads होते हैं. Capital, shares capital or paid up capital. It means suppose if you invest in the company in primary market, if you invest in primary market through shares, it means कि you invest your amount in capital of the company. Is it? यही हुआ? If you invest in the stock market, it means your amount is invested in capital of the company. Your share is a capital of the company. If you buy share, it means your amount is invested in capital of the company. In simple words, शेयर मार्केट में पैसा लगाने का मतलब होता है किसी के व्यापार में पैसा लगाना. Suppose current you are a shareholder. If you sell the shares to like another investor, so they become a shareholder in books of the company. So all the corporate benefit like dividend bonus, company will pay to the current shareholder. यहाँ तक क्लियर है? अब मुझे बताओ, suppose you have 10 lakh rupees and you want to invest in business which is very growing in our country. कौन सा बिजनेस है जो इंडिया में सबसे ज़्यादा ग्रो कर रहा है, सबसे ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट मेकिंग कंपनी? गैस करो एक बार. रिलायंस इंडस्ट्री, स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, कंटिन्यूसली प्रॉफिट में. इज इट पॉसिबल दैट यू हैव 10 लाख रुपीज टुडे और विल यू डील विद द मुकेश अंबानी? He said, I want to invest my 10 lakh rupees in a company. I know that you have a team of professionals who invest my 10 lakh rupees in a business and they will take care of them and I will earn a good profit in future. So is it possible to deal with Mukesh Ambani with 10 lakh rupees? No. Suppose you have 25 lakh rupees, will you deal with the chairman of the State Bank of India? I want to invest in the business of SBI. How is possible? How is possible कि your amount is invested in capital of the Reliance and the professionals of the Reliance, they will manage your money or they will try to earn profit on it only through equity market, only through stock market. अब मुझे बताओ, शेयर मार्केट is a opportunity to invest in capital of the company or share market is a gambling? Gambling? What do you mean by share? Opportunity or gambling? I think ये तो क्लियर हो गया कि इक्विटी मार्केट, शेयर मार्केट गैम्बलिंग नहीं है. It's just opportunity to invest in capital of the company. Anyone tell me which is the right time of investment in equity market? Just guess. What is the right time to invest in equity market, like purchasing Reliance share, State Bank of India share, IOC share, IRCTC share? And जब शेयर का प्राइस लो हो, कम हो, तब इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए. When you buy the shares with low price, the probability of profit is high. Anyone know about Warren Buffett? Warren Buffett name? Yes sir. What is Warren Buffett? सबसे बड़े इन्वेस्टर, 200 साल, 300 साल की उम्र. Is a very big investor of stock market who just start investment in stock market when he was just 12 years old. 12 साल की उम्र से स्टॉक मार्केट में पैसा लगाना शुरू किया वॉरेन बफेट ने, और एट प्रेजेंट नाउ वॉरेन बफेट इज अ ओनर ऑफ मोर देन 300 कंपनीज, 300 से ज़्यादा कंपनी का ओनर। ओनली इन्वेस्टमेंट थ्रू स्टॉक मार्केट, वर्ल्ड रिसर्च इन्वेस्टर। Warren Buffett says the right time of investment in equity market is stock market is when others are greedy, you be as a fearful. When others are fearful, you be as a greedy. क्या मतलब हुआ इसका? When others are greedy का मतलब जब शेयर का प्राइस कंटिन्यूअसली अप जा रहा है, you be as a fearful. Not right time to investment in equity market. और when others are fearful, जब अदर लोग fearful होते हैं तो वो सेल करते हैं अपने शेयर्स को, तो शेयर का प्राइस लो आ जाता है, to be as a greedy, वहाँ greedy बन जाओ। क्योंकि आपको पता है कि स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया का अगर मैंने शेयर खरीदा है तो मेरा पैसा जीरो तब होगा जब स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया भी जीरो हो जाएगा। कोई भी पूरे इंडिया का, पूरे वर्ल्ड का पूरे इन्वेस्टर बताना कि जिसने ये कहा हो कि मैंने स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया का शेयर खरीदा था किसी साल में और मेरा पैसा जीरो हो गया, इज इट पॉसिबल? पॉसिबल ही नहीं। यू आर कॉमर्स स्टूडेंट, यू नो वेरी वेल कि शेयर मार्केट का मतलब होता है किसी के व्यापार में पैसा लगाना, यानी शेयर इज अ कैपिटल ऑफ द कंपनी, व्हेन कंपनी कैपिटल इज जीरो देन इन्वेस्टर अमाउंट मे बी लाइक क्लियर हुआ स्टॉक मार्केट। नाउ तो 20% हमारे इन्वेस्टमेंट का पार्ट था। आई वाज जस्ट टोल्ड यू अबाउट द रूल ऑफ 50-30-20 कि 50-30-20 क्या होता है। I think now importance of investment is clear and for investment asset class is also clear. Now as a student point of view, which asset class one can start their investment? What is an advisable? Which asset class is an advisable of cost investment? Listen, I think suppose if your salary is like 30,000 rupees per month, or if you think like I want to invest 20% of my salary in like different types of investment asset class, so what is the 20% of your 30,000 rupees? 6,000. Will you able to invest this 6,000 rupees in real estate or gold? Possible है क्या? क्या 6,000 रुपया से आप कोई प्रॉपर्टी परचेस कर सकते हो? गोल्ड परचेस कर सकते हो? पॉसिबल नहीं है। गोल्ड परचेस करना मुश्किल है। यहाँ पर बेसिकली रियल एस्टेट परचेस करना मुश्किल है, और देखा जाए तो इक्विटी मार्केट में डिसीजन लेना इतना इजी नहीं होता। There are more time required, more time analysis required. Or fixed income, there is, I think, no meaning of investment in first place. So where one can start investment in first place? Anyone guess? कुछ स्टूडेंट अच्छे हैं और मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया है, देखो तुम लोगों को मैं कंटिन्यू वॉच कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है? आई वांट टू कंडक्ट सेशंस which is at least for 3 hours or 4 hours. So then I will share you all the importance of financial literacy or about the financials market and financial planning. In short, like as today I have a time of only 40 minutes or 45 minutes. In 40-45 minutes I am trying I will just give you knowledge about the basic knowledge about the financial literacy with example, and I hope you understand. Here, the option where one can start investment in first place is mutual fund. mutual funds. Mutual fund is a asset management company, is a fund management company who are follow the rules and regulation of SEBI and RBI. They follow rules and regulation of SEBI and RBI. Both. They always invest in diversification range of equity market, diversification range of different types of assets. Mutual fund companies offer all 4 investment options. Either one can invest in real estate, gold, fixed income instrument, bond, debenture, commercial paper, treasury bills, and equity market as well. Like just example कि किसी को कुछ हेल्थ इश्यूज है और लाइक दे फील कि मुझे कोल्ड हो रहा है या फिर कुछ पेन हो रहा है, हेडेक हो रहा है, व्हाट दे डू, दे जनरली थिंक अबाउट कि आई नीड टू टेक मेडिसिन, कि मेडिसिन कंज्यूम करूँगा तो मुझे रिलीफ मिलेगी. तो अगर उसने मेडिकल शॉप से भी मेडिसिन परचेज की, मे बी दे विल गेट रिलीफ और मे बी दे विल नॉट गेट रिलीफ. और इनकेस अगर उसको रिलीफ नहीं हुआ फिर क्या आप एडवाइस करोगे, क्या करना चाहिए उसको? डॉक्टर के पास जाना चाहिए. डॉक्टर विल अगेन प्रेस्क्राइब सम मेडिसिन्स. क्या डॉक्टर आशीर्वाद देके सही करेगा? नहीं ना. डॉक्टर भी आपको मेडिसिन्स ही लिखने देगा, बट दे विल राइट मेडिसिन अकॉर्डिंग देयर एक्सपीरियंस, देयर नॉलेज, एंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ रिलीफ इज मच हाई compared to direct buy medicine from medical shop. Got it my point? So mutual fund is a group of professionals. All the professionals follow rules and regulation of regulatory body like SEBI and RBI. In India at present now 46 asset management company and more than 1,800 mutual fund scheme. And the monthly inflow, यानी मंथली जो इन्वेस्टमेंट्स आ रहा है म्यूचुअल फंड में इन इंडिया इज अराउंड 29,000 करोड़ पर मंथ इन्वेस्टमेंट inflow, current inflow of mutual funds market in India. And still many people who have not financial literacy knowledge, they don't want to invest in mutual fund, because mutual fund का जब advertisement आता है तो लास्ट में एक लाइन लिखी होती है, mutual fund are subject to market risk, please read carefully investment related document. अब आप मुझे ये बताओ रिस्क कौन से इन्वेस्टमेंट में नहीं है? एनी इन्वेस्टमेंट इसमें रिस्क ना हो? आई थिंक सभी जगह. आप डायरेक्ट मेडिसिन लोगे वहाँ भी रिस्क है, और डजंट मीन कि डॉक्टर मेडिसिन दे रहा है तो पहली मेडिसिन में आप ठीक हो जाओगे. मे भी हो सकता है कि दोबारा जाना पड़े डॉक्टर के पास, हो सकता है ना. रिस्क इज एवरीवेयर. और पीपल, यू नो, many peoples, they are basically ready to take risk with life, but they don't want to take risk with money. अभी जैसे एक छोटा सा मैं एग्जाम्पल दूँ आपको. यहाँ पर कॉलेज की तरफ से आपको एक इवेंट प्लान किया गया कि सारे लोग फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट मुंबई जाएंगे घूमने के लिए 3 days 2 night फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट, और एसएल वर्ल्ड के अंदर या फिर कोई एडवेंचर पार्क के अंदर एक्टिविटीज़ होगी. अब देयर इज 2 rides, 1 swing, सेकंड रोलर कोस्टर. व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू टेक राइड? स्विंग लोगे या फिर रोलर कोस्टर? सारे रोलर कोस्टर की तरफ ही भागोगे. स्विंग तो घर के बाहर पार्क में भी है और घर में भी आता है, बराबर ना. अब लाइफ रिस्क सबसे ज्यादा किस में? रोलर कोस्टर में ज्यादा रिस्क है या स्विंग में? रोलर कोस्टर में 360 टर्न हो जाओगे आप, बट यू वांट टू गेट राइड दिस. But when I talk about the, I think you should invest some amount in equity. You think the mutual fund, no, there is a risk. This is a human psychology. This is a human psychology. और अगर मैं बात करूँ in short, What is this? Learning. What is this only? This word? Learning. Learning का मतलब? सीखना. और सीखने के बाद जब आप यहाँ से ऐ लगा दोगे तो क्या बन जाएगा? So I think before the learning, one should know about this importance of learning. Without learning, if you want to like come past earning, definitely you will lose your money. I think money is very most important and everyone love money. So just love with the money. कोशिश करना है कि जल्दी से जल्दी वेल्थ बनना है. When you complete your education, start करना investment. ठीक है, rather than like give your first salary to your parents or anyone. Try to invest 20%. ठीक है. I have completed my session. Thank you so much everyone. Next time I would like to and colleges. You can find me the name on Google, Chandresh Gupta. My name is Chandresh Gupta. Or you can find Chandresh Gupta saving trader or Chandresh Gupta NISM. My details you will find there on Google. Google पे आपको मेरा नाम, मेरा फोटो सब मिलेगा.